What's up guys? Today for lunch we're going to be making some burritos. So we're going to get our hands washed and get started straight away. Here we have our ingredients. We've got our mince, mission deli. This is 20% fat mince. We'd usually get a leaner one, but it's what was available at the shop at the time. We've got some Mexican inspired rice. It's Mexican inspired just by the red peppers that's in it, I assume. We've got lime, coriander, chili and salt and cheese. So super simple, and let's get started. First thing we're going to do is get some heat under our pan, and we'll get our mince open here. As that starts to heat up, we're going to blast it with our Fryer Light 1 calorie per spray chili oil. Okay, so just about burns off, and we're just going to break up our mince in here. There we go. While that's going, we're going to microwave our rice. That's on 2 minutes and that's good to go. While that's going, we're just going to take our lime, take it in half, take it in half again. Okay, and we'll just pop that to one side for now. As the mince is starting to cook, we're going to add the coriander there. About a tablespoon of that, and about a tablespoon of salt and chili and salt flakes. Okay, our mince has browned off nicely. We've used the opportunity to draw a bit of the fat out and drain some of that out because it was the 20% fat beef. So it's a bit drier there now, but that's all cooked up nice and brown, nice and mixed up. Lowered the heat a touch just to keep it down so it doesn't burn. I'm going to squeeze all four, as much as we can, of the limes out into it. What we're going to do, we're going to mix it all in the pan. Make sure that heats right down. Mix it all up in there. Tends to clump a bit, the microwave rice. Sometimes it gets into a bit of a ball, so just make sure you're breaking all that up so it spreads around nicely, evenly with the mince. So after a few more minutes, that's taken completely off the heat. So for each one, I'm just going to take a nice portion in the centre, and a single portion like that should measure it out nicely for me. Cheese on that. Okay, and we're going to attempt to wrap this. If I do this wrong, please let me know. I'm new to all this really for burritos. Just going to attempt to. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's not bad. I've seen worse. Okay, so we'll pop that on the plate, and then we'll repeat that as many times as we can with the portion we've got. So there we have our 6 burritos. We've made 6 with that. That was 500 grams of mince, a single portion of rice, and then just some seasoning. So I'll try and stick all the macros below so you can see the details for that. And now we'll do my favourite bit, a taste test. Wow. And the rice is good. The Mexican inspired rice is nice, but you can really taste the lime coming through in the beef. Oh, it's beautiful. If I'm totally honest, maybe a bit more cheese and maybe adding a bit of a sauce to it, possibly, just to keep it moist. But as it stands warm like this, freshly made, It's beautiful. We're going to see if we can freeze them and microwave them and see how well that comes. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Stay tuned for some more content. Let me know what you want to see below. Like, comment and subscribe. Alright, see you again soon. Bye.